templates are really working. You have to be consistent while practicing. When I first get my PTE, like regardless of this one, like 2-3 years before, I didn't go to any class or anything. And that time I gave my PTE, I only scored 6 that time. You have to come to the class with the proper guidance and proper feedback from the tutor. Without it, you can't crack it.
In 2025, how to get 8 each? Let's hear from a recent 8 each achiever, Babita.
So I was just reading one-line strategy, and by the time I gave my quick sentences, other students will keep on reading, which keep me distracting from the environment. Like it was still noisy, but still I have to focus. But it really works. The strategy really works. So,
And you got 8 in reading and speaking both.
this speaking, speaking I got 9. So
Yes.
yeah.
And I think you were only on about 75 when you came to us.
Yes.
In just matter of 2 weeks.
Yeah, in 2 weeks time.
And you got perfect scores, right?
Yes, that's it. I really am thankful to the Vision team and all the EDI team. So I really crack it within 3 weeks.
So tell me the main 3 things which students watching can also use in their preparation.
Firstly, the proper support system from the VLE team. Like you need to come to the lab, you need to visit to the lab every day and even meet the tutor, and you need to have a proper planner as well. And I recommend to come to the lab, practice, and the strategy really works. The templates are really working. You have to be consistent while practicing. This gives some time also, and if you are really confident, you got the proper guidance from the anything, you can definitely crack them.
I think the support system which you mentioned, I think that's really important for everyone, right? That's once you start getting that motivation, that support from the teachers, your confidence increases.
Definitely.
What's the second thing you want to share?
The second things, you need to have a proper plan also. Like, for example, like you need to work on your weakness, and you don't know your weakness. Only the tutor can tell you like these things. Like for example, I think my read aloud was very good. I was so confident. Even when I did my first exam also, I thought that might not be like, that hasn't impacted my exam. So I was too confident. But until I came here, I keep like a read aloud. I took a couple of practice, and then the teacher told me where is my weakness. So then I realized it. So sometimes you are too confident in yourself, but you have to come here and then you have to have a proper guidance. Where is your weakness and where is your strength? So the tutor will tell you like which area you really need to work on and which area you don't have to work on too seriously, so that it will balance and help you to push the pace.
I think that will also help you to prioritize the things.
So yeah, that's true. Yeah,
Right.
That's true. So you don't keep on spending time in the tasks you don't need to.
Exactly my point. So what's the third thing you want to share?
Templates definitely works here. Like if you need to have a proper template, a one-line strategy definitely work. It works for me, so it definitely works for everybody. And even the essay templates, and the keywords are really helpful. The one that you shared in the WhatsApp group, that's really helpful. Even the described images also, if you have a proper template, that's really work for everybody. Written lecture also, templates can be proposed.
Amazing.
When I first get my PTE, like regardless of this one, like 2-3 years before, I didn't go to any class or anything. And that time I gave my PTE, I only scored 6 that time. So you have to come to the class, you have to get the proper guidance and proper feedback from the tutor. Without it, you can't crack it. So
I know.
basically,
See, I believe that once you get that guidance, right, it really eases up the things for you. And then you can do the things that are faster.
Yes.
Right. Amazing work. I would say that you have really made all of us really proud.
Thank you.
Huge congratulations, Babita.
Thank you.